In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color a map by region and sales together in Tableau using map layers. This is a handy technique if you want to visualize geographical data effectively, allowing you to represent varying sales figures across different regions. Let's get started right away. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to do so by visiting the official Tableau website. Once it's installed, launch the application, and we'll be ready to begin our map visualization journey. Next, locate and access your worksheet within Tableau. This is where all the magic will happen. If you're working on a new project, ensure that you have your data source connected, particularly with information on states, regions, and sales figures. Now let's get our map set up. Double-click on State in the data pane. This automatically generates the initial map layout based on the state-level data in your dataset. If you're seeing a map pop up, you're on the right track. This map will act as a base for all the visualizations we're about to build. It's crucial to provide as much context as possible. To do this, you'll drag Country to the Detail shelf. This action includes another layer of geographical data, allowing more specific filtering and detailing as needed, ensuring that your map differentiates countries correctly if your data spans multiple nations. Once you've done that, it's important to set the mark type correctly. Go to the Marks card and make sure that the mark type is set to Filled Map. A filled map is more visually impactful and provides a better representation of the data, especially when dealing with quantitative measures like sales. Now turn your attention to regional differences, and here's how we'll manage that. Drag Region to the Filters shelf and make a selection for East and West. Limiting the map to these regions helps focus the visualization on geographic areas of interest and ensures clarity and insights. For the visualization to reflect the sales data clearly, drag your sales measure to the Color shelf. This step ties the sales figures to the color on the map, creating a more meaningful visual representation. Typically, higher sales could be shown with darker colors, while lower sales use lighter shades, but feel free to adjust this based on your preference or company standards. Finally, let's tweak the color scheme to best suit your needs. Click on the color legend to open the Edit Colors dialog, where you can change or adjust the colors based on your preference or company guidelines. This is your chance to add a personal touch and ensure the map is not only informative but also visually appealing. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a map that colors regions by both geographical area and sales data, providing valuable insights at a glance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Happy mapping and visualizing with Tableau.